Today we're going to show you how we gave our room a refresh. It's January, Christmas blues is going on, we don't know what to do with ourselves. I want something light and bright, so we switched things up, still keeping them cozy and warm because there's snow outside.
So what started out as a room refresh ended being a, wow, there's a ton of stuff in every drawer and underneath the bed and in the corners, and we need to clean all this out before we really start making it a comfortable space to be in again.
We didn't actually get to the drawers yet, but they're definitely going to happen. If you're watching this video and you always catch us on our Saturday live streams, ask us if we actually got our closet done and our drawers, because that will hold me accountable to get them done. We did clean out under the bed.
So a lot of this mess under the bed is actually probably mine. It's all the stuff I use for filming videos and things I don't necessarily want the kids to touch, remnants from stuffing things under there for Christmas to hide them. It was a mess.
And initially when we built the bed, we always said we wanted to keep it clean, no bed skirt to hide the mess. So now we've got to live up to that and clean out all this stuff. Some of it's some candy wrappers, those are mine. So this we have had since we redid Eliza's bedroom, and I have not found a spot for it. It's one of my favorite windows, but it's going to go in the shop. So I don't have anywhere to put it. So this is going bye-bye.
Yeah, we redid Eliza's room, what, over a year ago now? Almost
know.
a year? I think it'll be a year in February.
After we got that done, then we could roll out the new rug, which is new old rug from IKEA. We went ahead and cleaned it, and then we just rolled it out. It's the perfect size to fit under our king size bed. If you watch the end of the video, Zeb will show you a picture of the item number of the rug. The actual name got ripped off and I can't remember. We've owned it about a year. But they still make it, so you can pick it up there. Once we got that down, we were able to put down the bed, put down our Dream Cloud mattress, which we get asked all the time about that mattress. Do you love it?
I have not slept this good since I was a teenager.
Yeah, we've had it for quite a few months now. I really love it. I wake up, my back doesn't hurt. So we'll drop a link. If you're interested, you can save $200 with the link, and it'll take you to the Dream Cloud mattress. We sleep really well on it, so thumbs up on that. Then we went ahead and made the bed. The bed was kind of a predicament because I had in my mind this look, and we had this bedding that had been sent to us, and it just didn't work. Like the duvet comforter was like way too long, and we could have like pinned it up to make it look good for a picture, but I never want to like put anything out there that I don't love, that I don't think works and is practical.
It had a cool design, but in the end it didn't work.
So we tried to reconfigure some things and it still just wasn't working. And then I got the idea to go ahead and keep our existing bedding and put our old spring bedspread from last year on top, and then roll down the gray and white checkered. That look actually works really well for it, and it also gives it that cozy vibe because it's a layered effect going on there, and that flannel comforter is super cozy. Our comforter that we have sitting on top of our bed is actually wrong side out. It has ruffles on the other side. We bought it at Walmart. I don't remember the name. I think it's about 25 bucks, 30 bucks. But one of the ruffles is missing. I don't know where it went.
I think it got lost in a washing.
But I really like this stripe look on the other side. So we just flipped it over, rolled the comforter underneath over the top, and that gave us our base to make our bed. As far as pillows go, I feel like sometimes people think there's a mystery, like how do you arrange the pillows to get them right?
The mystery is going to like 3-4 different stores till you find that perfect pillow.
Well, the 3 Euroshams we had, but what was in the Euroshams, the fillers was all flat. I never suggest buying a Eurosham that's already got filler in it, because when it goes flat, you can't change it out. So we went ahead and went to Walmart, got new Eurosham fillers, and the actual Euroshams themselves are from Walmart. They're their Better Homes and Gardens brand. And I really like them. They're simple, and to me, when you're making a king-size bed, 3 Euroshams is a perfect base for any pillow placement. I think that when you do just the king-size sham, it's just like this long, skinny... I don't like it. I just never think it looks good.
She needs some height to her pillows.
I need some height, yeah. So 3 Euroshams, not 2. 3. Gotta have 3.
All I know is that they're soft and comfy, but I can't lay on them.
You can lay on them. They're bleachable. I like to use them behind me when we're laying in bed watching TV. We do have a TV in our room. We'll show you that if you haven't seen it already. So in front of those 3 Euroshams, I wanted to add some color. By this point, we had just the white comforter, the white base behind there, and a little bit of the gray and white check peeking through. I already purchased a pillow at IKEA, which was kind of my inspiration for the entire bed, so everything else was built around that. And this morning I went to Hobby Lobby and they had velvet pillows, and texture is really important when you're wanting to make a space look cozy. Velvet is really soft and they're also down so you can get the little chop in them. So I put 2 of those pillows on each side, and the pink really corresponds well to the color that's in the middle. That together is all the pillows I have on my bed. So
I kept wanting to go with a salmon color.
Oh my goodness, salmon and coral.
I like the oranginess of it.
I don't really like salmon, and coral is cool, but we've already been there.
That and an olive color. I kept going back to that.
We went
olive
with
green.
blush. Blush is also your favorite.
Yeah.
At the end of the bed, I knew I wanted a throw, but I looked everywhere, and I really wanted one with pom-poms. I couldn't find it, but I went with this gray throw because it has this fun fringe tied into knots, which adds a fun texture, and it's really, really soft and cozy. So when I come in here and I want to snuggle up and I'm cold, I've got an extra layer of warmth there. Went with gray because there's gray in the pillow and gray in the bedding. Kind of ties it all together.
So on the nightstands, we switched those up. The corbels were kind of blocking my view of the TV. They made it so all the other stuff had to sit out in front of the TV. So we've moved them, which gives them a whole new look next to the bed, almost like they're bookends on the bed. And then we also replaced our fall/Christmas decor. We had some little potted Christmas trees up on the nightstands, and now we've got the lavender in these pots that we got from IKEA.
If you come around to the front of our room, we have a giant TV. It's like the elephant in the room. A lot of people don't like to have TVs in their room, but my bedroom is my favorite place to lock the door, hide from my 5 kids, and a TV totally relaxes me. But I didn't want to just have a TV out in the middle of nowhere, so when we put the TV in last year, Zeb just framed it out with some simple salvage. We'll drop the link below for that video so you can watch it, and it gives it a good furniture picture vibe without being too crazy. We'll also drop the link to our first refresh that we did, where we have the buffet and the wall treatment. We've got a couple of videos that you can watch on that. You can see how we created the chippy look that we have on the buffet. And then I just went back to the hydrangeas that we got from IKEA. We had them last spring. They worked really good. Sometimes you don't need to buy all new stuff to give your room a new look.
I keep waiting for her to have me change out these framed printables that we've got of the botanicals on the wall. It's not necessarily my style, but I like the botanical prints. I think they're actually cool. They look kind of scientific. I'm okay with that.
The other thing that we have in our room is our blanket ladder. It's got 2 of my favorite quilts and an old grain sack from Quaker Oats that has fighting cocks. All right, so we are done with our room tour. We're gonna show you some pictures and video at the end. Don't leave before Zeb throws those on there. And definitely check out the links to our other videos so you can kind of see how some of the other aspects came together in this room from other refreshes. And follow up with us later to see if we actually cleaned out our closet.
I know we can do it.
Right now we can't even walk in our closet, so that's a problem. Also gonna clean out the buffet drawers, cabinets, and our junk drawers on the nightstands. Comment below with your best organizing tips. We can take all the tips we can get. Also, let us know what your favorite part of the room is, if there's anything that you enjoyed or questions you have about decorating your room.
As far as DIYs go in the room, we finished the buffet and both of the nightstands, and we have separate videos on those if you want to check those out. If you want to achieve these looks, you can find the products at jamirayvintage.com.
If you're looking for extra tips and tricks on how to decorate, as well as how to run your own decor and design business, check out our channel membership. We've got extra videos, tips, tricks, printables, and we're writing a book and we're including a chapter every month. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.